Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use Shodan API in Python. So Shodan is a tool to track any device that is connected to the internet. It is a search engine which you can use to track, monitor, get status updates of any device or network that is online and connected to the internet. So we will be using the Python library to try out some of the few API functions that it offers to monitor any device on the internet. Okay, let's get started with the API. In this video we will be trying out the facets method, which will give you which has a set of properties that you can in combination with any server or network device you can get information on that particular device. So here in the facets you can see org, domain, port, ASN and so on. So facet is basically a collection of properties which will that you want to know about a particular device that is online on the internet. To use the API, first you need to create an account. Once you create an account, developer account, in the account section you will find your API key. This API key will be used to ping the API. So we are on the free plan and there are like certain methods and functions that we can try out. Okay, I'm here on the Replit IDE. Here I've already written a Python script which will pass a set of properties using the facets method and will query the API for count of devices which have the following properties. Here you have to first install this library pip install Shodan. Next, you have to set your API key. After setting the API key, I am setting the properties that I want and the title that will be that the labels that I want in the results. Okay, in the try section, I am creating the API call. Before creating the API call, the facets property requires some more information on what server or what network you're trying to query. So this will be passed as an argument. While I'm running the file using Python command, it will be passed as an argument. So I'm parsing the argument and storing it. Next, once the API is created, I'm creating the query and then passing the query and the facets or the list of properties that I want. Once I get the result, I am looping through the result and printing the value. Now we will try out the query. First, we will try to query these properties for Apache servers. Here you can see that for all the properties that we queried, we have the count information, the top 3 and top 5 information. In the country property, I've mentioned only 3 records, so you're getting only top 3 countries, and for the rest, by default, you're getting the top 5. Next, we will try the same for another server. Okay, here you have the response. 3 countries, 5 domains, 5 organizations, 5 ports, and 5 autonomous systems. Let's increase the count to 5. Here, yeah, let's change the label as well. Yeah, so 5 countries, 5 domains, 5 organizations, 5 ports, 5 autonomous systems. So this is one of the free methods that you can try with the Shodan API. There, in the documentation, there are other examples that are available for you to see how the API works. I hope you try it out. In this video, we have seen what is Shodan and how you can use the API in Python to get information about any device that is connected to the internet. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.